Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to register and connect a custom domain to your B12 website. By the end, you'll know how to search for an available domain, get one for free for your first year, and automatically link it to your website. A custom domain looks professional, is easy to remember, and helps strengthen your brand identity. If you don't have a domain, follow these steps to purchase one through your account. Log into the B12 editor and click Domains from the left sidebar menu. Click Get New Domain. Enter the domain name you want, then click Search to view available options through our registrar partner, IONOS. You can see some alternative available options. Your B12 promo code will automatically apply, making your first year free. Please note that certain types of domains have pricing and availability exclusions. Select Add to Cart, then click Continue. You can proceed with the domain only or choose an optional email service add-on. You will now be taken to the checkout page. Click Continue and fill in the billing information to set up your account. Click Buy Now once everything looks right. If you have questions about your domain purchase or renewal, be sure to contact IONOS directly for help. After your purchase is complete, B12 will automatically connect your new domain to your website and set up email sending and forwarding if you selected those options. Initial domain connection is usually fast, but it can take up to 24 to 48 hours. If you're ready to go live, click Publish. Once your site is up and running, invite visitors by sharing your new domain. If you have questions, the Help Center has all the answers you need. Check the link in the description. Haven't tried B12 yet? Start for free at www.b12.io and generate your AI website in less than 60 seconds. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see what you build.